Shopping spree. Spending a lot of money in a short time. She went on a shopping spree and bought 10 pairs of shoes. After payday, he treated himself to a shopping spree. Window shopping. Looking at items without buying. They went window shopping in the city center. I enjoy window shopping even if I don't buy anything. Bargain. A good deal, low price. That dress was a real bargain. He always looks for bargains at the market. Discount. Reduced price. The store offers a 20% discount on all items. She asked if there was a student discount. Clearance sale. Final sale to get rid of stock. They had a clearance sale on old electronics. I found cheap furniture at a clearance sale. Shopping cart, or trolley, vehicle to carry items in a shop. He filled his shopping cart with groceries. She pushed the trolley down the aisle. Checkout. Where you pay in a shop. The line at the checkout was long. Please go to the checkout to pay. Receipt. Paper proof of purchase. Don't forget to keep the receipt. She showed the receipt to return the dress. Shopping list. A written list of things to buy. I forgot my shopping list at home. She always makes a shopping list before going out. Price tag. Label showing the price. The price tag says $50. She cut off the price tag after buying the dress. Impulse buy. Buying without planning. The chocolate was an impulse buy. He regretted his impulse buy later. Shopaholic. A person addicted to shopping. She's a shopaholic and can't resist sales. Being a shopaholic can lead to debt. Cashier. Person who takes payment. The cashier scanned the items. She handed the money to the cashier. Sell out. When everything is sold. The concert tickets sold out in one day. The shop sold out of bread before noon. Everyday essentials. Basic items needed daily. Milk and bread are everyday essentials. They bought everyday essentials from the supermarket. Pay through the nose. Pay too much. He paid through the nose for that bag. You'll pay through the nose in that shop. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. That watch cost an arm and a leg. Designer clothes cost an arm and a leg. Shop around. Compare prices before buying. She shopped around before buying dress. Always shop around for the best deals. Rip off. Overpriced, bad deal. $60 for a t-shirt is a rip-off. That cafe is such a rip-off. Good deal. Fair, cheap price. This sofa was a good deal. He got a good deal on his laptop. Worth every penny. Very valuable. The trip was worth every penny. That handbag is worth every penny. Throw money down the drain. Waste money. Buying junk is throwing money down the drain. His car repairs are money down the drain. Second-hand. Used, not new. I bought a second-hand bike. She shops in second-hand stores. Brand new. Completely new. He bought a brand new phone. The car is brand new.